Welcome on board on this Boeing 737-800 from TUI Fly Netherlands. I have the pleasure of flying you to Dubai today. We're taking off from runway 24 today. That's due to the weather conditions. We have a very strong westerly wind.
Window heat on. Pressurization mode selector. Auto. Flight instruments.
Heading 001 altimeter.
Orange 407. Hello. Pushback and start up approved.
Pushback and start up approved. Orange 407.
Start number 2 engine.
Starting number 2 engine.
The N2 you can see now is at 19%, and here N1 is at 1.5. At 25% N2 we will give it fuel flow.
Turn the packs on and shut off the APU.
Boston 377 Juliet, good evening. The wind 25029,
Take off.
August 38.
V1.
Rotate.
Hier, ik van Auto Papa, hold short, good evening.
Flight level 100.
Checked.
Orange 407 naar Germinghuizen.
The MSA in our arrival sector is 3,800, and later on it will be just slightly 2,200 and then 2,100. Burj Khalifa and the Burj Al Arab are the highest points on the chart, for sure.
Orange 407, descend to altitude 1, 3,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 1, 3,000 feet, Orange 407. Right, heading 090, clear dial. Approach runway 12, go here, establish localize, Orange 407. Yeah.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brakes up.
We take 11 now.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in Dubai. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we fly you back in 3 days.
Today you're riding along and we're going to have a nice tour above Dubai. The weather's nice, so enjoy.